I had a query recently about using apartment numbers or multi-residency in our address lookup tool, and thought I'd show you how to configure that because that's something really cool about Locate, the service that we use, is that you're allowed to bring in suites and apartment numbers, so the exact locations basically. So let's try it. I know that this address here is an apartment, and we've got the different apartment numbers here. And when I choose it, it won't actually populate the one I choose, 128A. So to configure that, we have to bring in an extra mapped field. So go to your configuration and bring in the mapped values, bring in this field here from locate, which is the building name, and drag that into your first field, your mailing street, and then click save. And let's have a look at the result now when we search. So now when we search the same postcode, the block of apartments, and select the address, and this time choose 128, you'll see that the apartment number is listed in the mailing street. So a perfect way of doing multi-residency, which is a really good feature of CRM Toolkit and our provider Locate.